In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move tables in Proposify. Whether you're customizing a proposal or just organizing content, knowing how to manipulate tables can be incredibly handy. Let's dive right in to make your experience with Proposify as smooth as possible. First, start by opening your preferred web browser. Once you're there, simply type Proposify into the search bar. As you hit enter, you'll be presented with a list of results. The one you need to click on should be the website with the URL that ends in proposify.com. This will take you directly to the main page of Proposify. Once you've landed on Proposify's homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen, where you'll find the Log In button. Click on it and enter your credentials to access your account. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself staring at the dashboard. Now, what you're looking for is the Templates section. It's typically located within the content library, which acts as a repository for all your saved content. Inside the template library, take a moment to either select an existing template that you wish to modify or create a new one if you want to start from scratch. Got it? Great. The next step is simple. Click on the chosen template. This action opens up the editing interface where all the magic actually happens. Once the template is open in the editor, you'll notice that it's packed full of various text boxes. These can be edited directly, which means you can click on them to change the content inside, resize to better fit your page, or reposition them entirely. This flexibility is a real game changer when you're tailoring the template to match your specific needs. Alright, now let's focus on the tables. You'll begin by clicking on the table itself. When you do this, keep an eye out for a distinctive blue outline that will appear around the table. This is a visual indicator that you've successfully selected the table, and it is now ready for you to move. With the blue outline in place, you simply click and hold while dragging the table to any location on the page that suits your design or layout intentions. This ability to drag and drop makes organizing your template straightforward and gives you the control to align everything precisely to your liking. And there you have it. Moving tables within Proposify is as simple as that. With these steps, you're now equipped to rearrange and design your proposals just the way you envision them. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and that you feel more confident navigating the Proposify platform. Thanks for watching, and happy proposing!